How to re-rope your door seal. A thermal rope is used to provide a heat-resistant, airtight seal on the appliance doors and also is often used to provide a seal for the appliance glass. This seal is usually fitted into a groove on the door and held in place with adhesive to prevent air entering the appliance in the wrong places. This is essential to ensure that the appliance works as intended and can be adjusted by the air controls. A poor seal can reduce efficiency, make streaks on the glass, or allow the appliance to overfire. Due to the many different types of appliances made by Stovax, it is not possible to show an example of every design, but specific detailed instructions for your model can be found in the manual supplied with your product or are available for download from the technical section of the Stovax website. Whilst the individual design of the door may vary, the principle of replacing the rope seal is fairly universal and can be shown on this Stockton model. Start by removing the door from the appliance to make the operation easier. Lift the door free from the hinge blocks. Other appliances may need a different method to remove the door, and this is detailed in the instructions provided with your product. Lay the door face down on a soft, flat surface to protect the paintwork and glass. Remove the old rope and scrape old glue from the locating groove. The glue may be quite difficult. An old screwdriver is usually the best tool for this job. It is recommended that you wear gloves, a mask and eye protection throughout this process. Clean the locating groove to remove all old dust and debris. Use the ceramic end tape around one end of the new rope, being careful not to wrap it too tight. The tape should pass at least twice around the end of the rope. Now cut the end of the rope halfway across the tape to create a neat finish. Measure and cut the rope to the correct length. Allow the unfinished end to overlap the sealed end and cut the rope. Use the ceramic end tape around this end of the rope, being careful not to wrap too tight and cut so the two ends meet neatly with no gaps. Shake the bottle and squeeze a generous bead of fresh Stovax thermic seal glue into the rope locating groove. Press the new Stovax rope into the locating groove, starting and finishing the rope in the middle of the lower edge of the door. Make sure that the joints in the ceramic end tape are face down against the casting to prevent them from coming undone. Leave to dry for at least 3 hours. Refit the door and close to apply pressure to the new rope. To check that the new rope seal is effective, test it by performing a paper test. To perform this test, shut a piece of paper between the door and the appliance body. If the paper can be removed with little resistance, the seal around the door is not sufficiently airtight and the rope must be replaced or the hinges adjusted. Repeat on all 4 edges of the door. Leave the door closed for at least 12 hours before lighting the appliance and run at a low temperature for approximately 1 day. This allows the adhesive to fully bond to the seal.